Welcome to the Coinpayu community. This is an online platform that allows users to earn rewards by engaging in various activities such as browsing websites, playing games, testing applications, and sharing opinions in Pakistan. This website is a very good platform for students, housewife, and officer worker works in a part-time. These activities enable users to accumulate coins, which can be exchanged for cash or a variety of gift cards. Earning methods: browsing. Earn coins by visiting and viewing different websites. Gaming. Play free games on your phone and receive coins for completing various in-game steps. Trying out. Assist companies by testing their apps and receive coin rewards. Sharing opinions. Participate in surveys and earn coins for sharing your opinions. The platform supports cash and gift card redemptions, providing flexibility in how you utilize your earnings. For users in Pakistan, Coinpayu offers an accessible way to earn online without any initial investment. However, it's important to note that user experiences with the platform have been mixed. Some users have reported satisfaction with their earnings and timely withdrawals, while others have expressed concerns regarding account suspensions and difficulties in withdrawing funds.
To get started, you can sign up for a free account on their website or download the Coinpayu app from the Google Play Store. Website link is given in this video description. As with any online earning platform, it's advisable to proceed with caution, thoroughly understand the terms of service, and be aware of potential risks involved. For a visual guide on how to earn money using Coinpayu in Pakistan, you might find this video helpful.
You can withdraw your earning through EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Payeer, Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, USDT, and other digital wallet. Very easy and instant process.